Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. Imagine thinking a tiny kitchen gadget can't handle a real breakfast. Yet this magic bullet proves the opposite. Blending omelette batter and smoothie in seconds, field data shows the cross-play tears through frozen berries, while the high-impact plastic cups survive drops, so you never worry about cracked containers. A pattern emerges where the 10-second recipe guide becomes a cheat sheet for busy mornings, turning a 1/2 cup of water and a handful of veggies into a silky soup without overheating. The 250 watts motor base delivers enough torque to grind nuts for homemade pesto, and the Stay Fresh lids keep dip creamy for hours. Signal after signal confirms this unit's reliability, making it the perfect sidekick for compact kitchens and on-the-go creators. Verdict: ideal for minimalist chefs who crave speed without sacrificing quality.